Yup. What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. Man, I got bored, so I decided to do a video. What the heck is this? I don't know. Anyways, today's video, it's not gonna be a unboxing or nothing like that. I want to do a little update on my gaming chair. Yes, my gaming chair, the one I've been using for a while now. It's called a S Racer, and I'm gonna do like a comparison with my other chair that I got from IKEA. It's not a gaming chair, it's more like an office chair, but I'm gonna show you guys side by side and let you guys know how it feels, which one is more organized for your style, you feel me? But yeah, sorry about the lighting. I have the lights off because it's hot. That's way better. I have my window open, so yeah, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, I'm back. For the first chair is this one right here. Dang. Alright, I might need the light on for this. Alright, that's much better. Alright, so for the first chair, this is what I got right here. This one is an all black office chair. It was 50 bucks when I bought it. Still have this thing on, I didn't even take that out, but this is actually a really good chair. It slides really well. It's pretty comfortable, I would say. You got the armrest right here. It's a curve. This is the only thing I didn't really like about it, that it's curved. So when I'm like, you know, resting my arm on it, when I'm on the computer and I have the mouse right here, I have that much gap left, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it hurts your wrist in a way. But other than that, it's pretty dope. It has leather right here, and then just like a soft padding right here. Same thing for that. I went and got a little cushion. I had this cushion for a long time now. On the back side of this chair, you got a zipper. Put stuff in here if you want, but you'll lose it. Okay, that's that first chair. Now let's go into my gaming chair. All right, we are back. This is my gaming chair. Yeah, I also got another cushion for that as well. The slide on this is really awesome. It's really good, just like the other one. I really like the armrest on this one. I can level it with the mouse really well, so it doesn't really hurt my wrist. It has the pillow still in good condition. So yeah, I don't know. Oh, so what I've noticed about this chair is that when you sit on it, or when you're trying to recline it back a little bit, it makes a little cracking noise. So yeah, I ran into that problem here. Let me see. I'm gonna catch it on the camera. Alright. Hear that? Yeah, so that's the problem that I ran into. I think it's gonna be easy fix. All I gotta do is put like some oil on it. Overall, it's really comfortable. This one's cool. I like how when you turn on this chair, it's really smooth. Look. And you don't hear nothing. For this chair, 50 bucks, not bad. My gaming chair, oh, you hear a little bit when you get up, but that's normal. But my gaming chair, which is right here. So for 50 bucks for an office chair, not bad. For the gaming chair, this was 90 bucks. Not bad as well. I freaking love it. The prices went up for this chair. You can't find it for 90 bucks anymore. It's like 150 now, 150 to 200. So if I could leave you guys a link, I would. But that was a comparison with my gaming chair and my office chair. Also an update of my gaming chair. I've had it for over 7 months, I believe. 7, 8, now almost a year. So I love it. It's a good product. It's a good buy. Get it while it's cheap, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? But other than that, yeah, that's it. Just wanted to make a quick video. Yeah, if you guys have any more questions, leave a comment down below and I'll answer to you guys. I answer to almost all the comments. If you leave me rude comments, that's fine too. I'll just use that for another video, getting some ideas, you feel me? But other than that, yeah, please like the video if this video helped you guys out. Subscribe to your homie for more content, and yeah, that's about it. So everybody be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. Hurt my wrist, but I'm good.